Hi lovelies, so before we get started on the tutorial today, just thought I would give you a little look at the Spring Fling Manicure Roulette expansion pack. Now this is from last year, so a lot of you guys might have seen this already, but I felt the need to buy this year. I think I pretty much bought maybe 80% of their expansion packs now. I think the only ones I haven't got are like the summer ones, but they're just I love them. So good if you like stuck with what to do. Like, look at these just like colour like suggestions. I just love it. And then you got the art theme. There's so many cards in the art theme. April showers, little chickies, patchwork. Oh, amazing. Anyway, enough of that. Today we are doing some mini egg nails. So it's sort of like 4 different ways on how to do mini egg nails. First way, easiest way. So we're starting off with Honeydew from Madame Glam as the base. And the easiest way is to get a speckled top coat. Like, yeah, not super difficult, but we don't all want to be, so this one's called Spot Me. Yeah, we don't all want to be shelling out for an extra top coat when people might only request this like once a year. But look how perfect that finishes. Like, it's exactly what you want, isn't it? So, easiest one so far. So next one we're going to use Minion from Passion Beauty or Passion Nails, I can't remember, as the base. And this one is probably what you're most likely maybe going to be able to follow with everything you've already got. So you want like an old skanky little brush that's got like bristles going off everywhere, and you literally just going to dot the polish here, there, everywhere. It's like some spots need to be like more pronounced, some a bit lighter, and to be honest, I think this took me a while to get it how I actually wanted it to look. Oh, sorry, I can't stop yawning. So you can see like some are darker, some are hardly there. So you just want to make sure that you're changing what you're doing as you're going through it, but same sort of effect with a lot less money and I wouldn't say less time, because obviously the top coat is much quicker. But we're gonna matte top coat this now. That's also the beauty of that other top coat. It's like a matte top coat as well as the speckled stuff. So, yeah. And there we have our second way how to do mini egg nails. Our third one, we are using Blissfully Yours as the base shade. And what we're going to use this time is like a nail scrubbing brush, because the bristles are sort of like perfect for the different placement of the little speckles. So, see? Perfect. So you're just going to literally like dab it a tiny bit into the gel polish. Like, don't saturate it. You want it like just enough on there to... See, I think this possibly is maybe the second best way to do it. I think the like second most realistic way. But it depends on the brush you use. In the first, in the one we did last, if you've got a good enough brush, it'll work. It'll work just perfect. But I really like this way, actually. Like, it took a lot less time, I'd say, to get it how I wanted it. And like you see, there's some that's more pronounced, some that's just small little specks, but it all has the same effect, don't you think? And then once we have messed about with it, faffed about, we will matte top coat that one as well. I really like doing these. It's sort of a real fun, cute design. I don't really do pastel-y sort of colours. I'm more of like a rich teal, turquoisey person for nail-wise. So this last one, I'm just using this Builder Gel shade because it's like the perfect sort of undercoat shade that I wanted. I don't really have a normal gel polish colour like this, because this one we're doing like a half nail with a chrome painty finish. So people might just want like a little touch of the mini egg design because they don't want it all full, and everyone seems to be going minimalistic, like this sort of stuff, you know, with not all the nail covered. And so I'm just literally wiggling that down, easy peasy. Don't even need a different brush for this. And then what we're going to do is I'm going to matte top coat the Builder Gel bit, not the green we've just painted. Just that little section there, because obviously the top coat we're going to use to make the speckles already is a matte top coat, so there was no point putting, like, you know what I mean. Blah, blah, blah. I hope you haven't had to wait too long for this this one, because I did do the voiceover on the same night as the other one, like I did promise, but I don't know when I got to upload it. So we're just going over just with the, not even getting a special brush out again. Super easy, super quick. Really like these. I hope everybody's doing okay. Like, I don't feel like I get to chat enough in these anymore. I mean, maybe people might like that, but hope you're all doing good. So now, once we've faffed, like, of course I faff, we're going to use, I think it's Magpie Beauty gel paint. So we're going for the gold. And then we're just going to outline where we've done the edge of the green. And I just think, it's such a perfect, like, cute, minimalistic look. Just works so well, I think, for someone who doesn't want it all over the nail. So you could do like French like this, French tips with like the gold chrome paint outlining that, or, you know, just like swirls of it maybe. Super easy. So many different ways you could do this, but I hope you found this helpful. I really enjoyed making these. I think possibly my favourite, I don't know. I mean, the one with the top coat is more realistic, obviously. But I don't know. I think the purple one definitely looks second best. But anyway, thanks for watching. Please give me a like and a subscribe if you haven't already. Bye.